Welcome to another Maya basic tutorial. We are going to parkour a ball to climb the wall. Let's see. I'm using the flying fox rig. So we know the ball is going to jump here, and it will going to jump here, and it will then jump to this. So this is my planning. In this plan, what will I do? I'll take at least 6 to 8 frame jump up, 2 to 3 frame here, and it will take 2 to 3 frame to squeeze and jump again. This will be like 6 frame goes up and 2-3 frames towards the wall. So let's say if I'm going up, this will be 8 frame, so let's go with 7. Then this will be 2 frame, then there will be 3 frame of squeeze and hold, then again it will jump 6 frame, then 2 frame again towards this wall, it will be a little down, and then again 3 frame of squeeze, then again 5 frame here and 5 frame here, and then after somewhere around 15 to 20 frame of settlement. So that's the planning. Let's start. Now we know the planning, we'll just quickly plot the scene. First we start with the anticipation. I'll keep it at least for the 10 frame. At 10 I'll take 10 frame to start. I won't just quickly start. It goes up before going down. That's good. And I'll key here. I'm just adding a key here just to add cushion, and I quickly add all my keys. This is my first bounce. I'll just add the stretch key. And then in one frame it will stretch and jump. I'll just key here. So last jump was 7 and 2. Next going to be 6 and 2. We need to make sure it need to reach here. I feel like it can go a little up in this jump. So I gave him a little height in the first jump, so it has less space to cover in the next. So now this can go a little up. Next jump is in 5-5. So I roughly block the scene, the timing, keyframes. So let's start. I did a little bit of detail. So you see the rotation, it bit too much in the beginning. We can reduce the rotation here. I'm just putting all my keys. Okay, squash should be 0. It won't squash before hitting the ground, so this is fine here. It is squashing and it jumps. As soon as they jump, it will stretch. So I'll just stretch as it left the ground. Yeah, this is nice. The squash is 0 now. It hit the ground at 28, so it won't squash here. So I'll make it 0. What's happening? It's going way too ahead and it's coming back. We'll fix it with the graph. So let's fix the graph next. First the y-axis. So he's jumping from here to here. So we just fix the y-axis. So this is it, guys. As long as your planning is perfect, you can make it real quick. You can try all sorts of motions and animation, tricky one, obstacle course, dungeon run. You can do all type of thing. This is a really nice exercise to improve your timing and work with your space and speed up your animation. Thanks for joining. We'll meet again.